when everything seems to be going against you. Remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Never let your failures go to your here, or your successes go to your head. Success is 99% failure. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. In times of great stress or adversity, it's always best to keep busy, to plow your anger and your energy into something positive. Second is the first of the losers. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage